Social isolation has kept thousands of people away from their family and friends. Some are quarantined with their loved ones, but there's also a large number of people who aren't that lucky. So, if it resonates with you, get ready to find out how to make new friends in social isolation. Let's go. 1. Find your community. In the world of internet, we can connect and join so many different tribes. There is at least one for each person. There we can find users who have similar interests, beliefs, practices and dreams that correlate to ours. Surprisingly enough, there are people who we've even seen in our daily life, but never had the guts to talk to, or simply thought they'd never be a match to us. 2. Provide help if you can. Right now, one of the easiest things to find is someone who's in need of help. It doesn't always mean financial help. There's much more out there that people have been yearning for. Maybe a little message, a sweet comment, or somebody to talk to. 3. Do some errands for the ones who can't leave the house at all. Unfortunately, some are in bigger danger than us, and can't leave their house even to supply their basic needs like going to the drugstore or the supermarket. If we offer to do their errands every time, we also have to do something for ourselves while being in absolute safety. For sure neighbors would be very appreciative to our positive attitude. 4. Join or arrange a Zoom get-together. We all can agree that Zoom isn't just better than the coolest bar downtown, but it's also a great way of meeting new people, and still feel safe and comfortable without having to step out of the house. If we miss social interaction, we can basically join one of those get-together parties that are being thrown pretty much on a daily basis. And in case we hate them, guess what? We can just log off. If we don't find any links for those fun, little reunions, we can create our own Zoom party and put the link online so that people can get on it and have the best time ever, even quarantined. However, do not lose hope and love your life and personality. Try to do new different things make you happy. Do you like this video? Please, let us know on the comments section down below. Take care.